Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail with a glow light effect using Canva. If you've ever wondered how those creators get their thumbnails to really pop with dramatic lighting, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create that glowing effect step by step, so your videos stand out and attract more clicks. Let's dive right in. So first off, I'm starting with a background. I've already set mine up, and you can use anything you like, a solid color, a photo, or even some abstract graphics. The background is your blank canvas, so pick something that fits the vibe of your video. Next up, head over to the Elements tab on the left side of Canva. Here, where the magic begins, in the search bar at the top, type in blue light flare. What you'll see are these cool glowing shapes, almost like little bursts of energy or light leaks you see in photography. Find one that you like, click on it, and it'll drop right into your design. You can resize it, rotate it, and move it around until it feels like it's shining in just the right spot. Think of this light flare as your virtual spotlight. It's going to give your thumbnail that dynamic, illuminated look we're after. Now it's time to bring in your subject. This could be a person, maybe it's you or an animal or anything central to your video topic. Upload your image, or if you already have it in your uploads, just drag it into your thumbnail layout. Once it's in, click on your image to select it. Now, Canva has a fantastic tool called the Background Remover. Just look up in the Edit Image tab, find BG Remover, and hit that. Canva will do its thing. This might take a couple of moments, and you'll see your person or animal neatly cut out, ready to stand out from the background. Next, while your subject is still selected, go back into the editing options and look for shadows. Within the shadows menu, you'll find the glow effect. This is where things get exciting. Click on glow and right away your subject gets this soft, ethereal outline. But here's the key: to tie the whole design together, make sure you change the glow color to match the blue from your light flare. That way the light looks realistic and everything feels cohesive. Adjust the intensity and size of the glow until it really makes your subject pop. If you're not sure, try imagining how a flashlight shines on someone in a dark room. Play around until it looks dramatic but not overdone. Alright, almost there, let's add your text. You want your video title or a catchy phrase to stand out too. On the left panel, click on text, then add a heading. Type in your thumbnail text, keep it short, bold, and readable since most people are going to see this thumbnail on a tiny phone screen. You can drag it into position, play with the font size, and even add an outline or shadow if you want everything to feel connected. Once you're happy with your design, take a moment to give it a final check. Does the glowing effect draw attention to the right area? Is your text easy to read? If so, it's time to save your masterpiece. Just click Share in the top right, then hit Download. Choose PNG for the best quality and you're all set. And that's it, you just made a glowing, professional-looking thumbnail that'll help your videos shine. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or want more tips like this, drop a comment below. I love hearing your feedback. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy, creative tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.